Are you excited? Hi.
Saan siya?
Ito ba yun, dinosaur?
Oh, saan ka pupunta?
Baka. Doon pa sa loob, babe. Clark.
Saan siya na po?
Dino Island. Let's go. Saan? Parang mas grabing tao dito. T-Rex si Kuya.
Kuya Bin, sabi mo, let's go guys!
Let's go!
You say let's go guys.
Let's go, guys!
Kuya, go! Let's go!
Let's go! Walk.
Walk na, walk.
Are you excited? Oh, wait po si Mami! Kuya. Wow, what's that? Apagasaurus.
What's that, Kuya?
What's that, Kuya? Oh no. What dinosaur is that?
Come here, Kuya Vince! Vince Jacob!
Kuya.
Vince Jacob, come here muna! Wait.
O, doon ka. Sa ilalim ng, Apatosaurus. Kuya, diyan ka sa ilalim. Kainin mo isa.
Like a dinosaur! Rain, rain, like a dinosaur! 1, 2, 3...
Alright.
It's so big, yeah! What do you hear, Kuya?
Yes.
Kuya Vince, are you excited? Kuya!
Baby.
What's that? Egg.
What's that?
Egg.
Ng dinosaur! Oh my
Let's go.
God! Smile. Dinosaur pose! Like this, Kuya! Roar! Parang tiger naman yun.
Alay.
Oh, again. 1, 2,
Again.
3, go! What is...
Kuya, wag lalapit. Saurolophus. Huwag ka hawak ha. May ano.
Can you read this, Kuya? Roxy! What's that?
Tama nga. Oh, tama siya.
What's this, kuya?
Bye.
Oh no! Stegosaurus what? Kasi may ano, wire. Kuya, wag yung wire.
Huwag hawakan yung wire. Again, what's that?
What's that? What dinosaur is that?
Stegosaurus.
Ikaw din rin.
Stegosaurus.
What dinosaur is that?
Oh, you say hi.
Hi. No touching,
How about
okay?
you, Rain? Rayan.
How about you, Ate Yana? What dinosaur is that? Okay, okay na yun?
Dinosaur is that?
What's that, Kuya? What's that?
Brachiosaurus bigger? Is Brachiosaurus bigger
So big.
than Apatosaurus?
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Huwag kang lalapit dito. Kakahawak sa wire.
What's that?
Is that Velociraptor?
What's this, Kuya?
Velociraptor.
It's hatching!
Wow.
It's hatching!
Velociraptor. Velociraptor.
Velociraptor? No.
No? Okay, okay.
You will. Ito kuya, what's this? Wala ka.
Dito ka. Para mabidyohan ka ng echo.
Let's go.
What's that?
Can you read, please?
Can you read?
Move here. What is that? Can you read?
No, it's this one.
What?
Mandobo.
How about you, Rain? How are you, Rain? Rain, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, what is
Huh?
that?
Wire ha?
Hello?
What's that shoe?
What?
Moving
close.
compared sa
It's not moving.
It's slow but
Low bat siya. No current. No electricity.
no power.
Brana!
Oh no! There are eggs. What's that, kuya?
Wow! What's that?
Pterodactyl.
Are you sure?
No! It's Augustina reptarus. B.
What is this?
Oh. There's a
Oh, read mo na nga yan.
Oh, I can see that Tyrannosaurus.
oh no.
Where are
Si T-Rex na kasi pala.
What's this, kuya? What's this?
Ito totoo.
Oh, totoo.
Totoo yan.
Ba't nandyan? Hi.
Oh, totoo. Gasi ka.
Dragon ba? Ano yan?
Ano yan?
T-Rex na.
Coming.
Okay, T-Rex. Counter.
Pwede mo siya hindi mo
Yeah, it's so big.
Wow, it's so big. Oh, no.
Tyrannosaurus.
Ma'am, sama ka po, ma'am. Sorry po, akala ko tatlo lang po kayo. Video kayo ni kuya. After nila sa taas, ma'am. Baka wala pong kasama sa taas. Sa taas naman, ma'am, pwede kayo makit sa taas, ma'am. May wala tayo additional payment, 20 pesos per head. Katulad po nila, kunyari, pinapakain nila sa team. Dito na tayo sa baba. Ano yun? Yeah. What's that? Ankylosaurus yan.
Wait, wait.
You want to see the fish? Wow, daming tilapia.
Mas na maintain
Oo.
compared doon sa
Like,
Ano yung gusto ko?
mas maganda po doon.
maintain.
Mas linis. What's that? This. What's this? Kuya, ito. Next.
Oh, what is? This one. How about that?
Ang galing, yan. Ang galing, yan. Ang galing. Pterosaur, iba? Tama. Iguanodon. Parasaurolophus. Hadrosaur. Diplodocus.
Wow, ito yung last. Ito yung last, kuya. Yung last.
How about the last one?
The last one.
This one. Again,
Last
again,
one.
again. How about this one? Very good.
What's that? Louder naman kasi, kuya. Oh, let's go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Let's go.
Sorrow. Kawan sa dyan natin. Mayasaur have egg.
Oh, bye-bye ka na.
Is mommy a Mayasaura? What's that, kuya? Ay, what's this?
Oh, picturean ka ni Mama May.
Oh, sige nga, picturean
What's this?
kita.
What's this? It? Dilophosaurus.
Pwede mag-picture dun, babe. Eh, pwede pala.
Dito lang. Oh, smile ka, kuya.
In the raptor. Let's go.
Oh, hi.
What's that? What dinosaur is that? Dinosaur is that?
Spinosaurus.
Ah, picture.
Okay ka.
Raptor.
Raptors.
Uy, bawal tawakan. Ayun o.
Kuryente.
Kuryente.
What's that? Oh no, it's just the sound of dinosaur. What's that? Baryonyx.
Okay. Next is...
What's that?
Natakot. Natakot si Kuya. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hold. Ay, delikado.
Yung isa dito, tignan mo, oh, init na init. Rain, rain. Don't disturb the mister.
False ideas act like you're being...
Kuya Vince, picture ka dito.
Afraid
Paano yung afraid?
Afraid.
Doon ikaw!
Doon lang, afraid.
Kuya, what's that?
Picture
Yun si Mommy Daddy. Dinosaur talaga si Mommy at Daddy mo, no?
Kuya Vince, picture ka nga dyan.
3 hands. Ay, stand.
Stand.
Kuya, wag kang hawak ha.
Kamahawak ha.
Oh, pose like,
Pose like
a
a-
dinosaur.
Sige.
Kuya Beans, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, babasahin niya. Tres raptors.
Triceratops.
Ah, Triceratops. What's that? Oh, let's go. Bye-bye.
Dinosaurs down. Dinosaurs up. Ha? Velociraptor.
Kuya, dito ka muna, kuya.
Dito ka. Diyan sa may van.
No, doon,
Sa
no?
van ng van.
Where's the dinosaur? What dinosaur is that? What? Can you
Dinosaur
say...
is that? It's
It's ano, what dinosaur is that, kuya? Iguanodon. Oh no. Well, let's go na. Oh, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye na.
harap.
Sige. Babe.
Dinosaur.
Alis ka dyan, babe.
Utang.
No touching! Natakot si kuya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Rain, rain.
You get one bucket. Sige mo sa bana, Blake. Kuya Beans, you get one bucket and one shovel. Rain. Ito.
Atiana.
Oh, I love dinosaurs. This stands for Susie.
Rain, rain. Kuya Beans.
I call yan siya, ma.
Rain, rain.
Oh, let's go na.
Hi. Hello, Rain, rain. You want ice cream? Hi, Kuya Beans. Ay, ay, ay. Takot siya.
Like an angel.
Rain, World of China. It's so long.
So big.
Can you read, Kuya?
Sige nga.
Again.
Read Kuya Beans. And China.
Huh?
Great.
Wow.
Of.
China.
Very good. How about that one? What is that?
Can you read? What's the name? Huh?
Do Mexico.
Oh,
Oy, no
Garden
touch.
No.
of Apple.
How about
How about this?
No touching na, no touching. Sige nga, read mo. Read.
What's
Of?
this?
Hanging Garden of? Drive to Redeemer.
no touching?
Can you read? Can you read po? Oh, let's go. Dito na tayo. Let's go na, kuya. Oy. Kuya Beans. Let's go. Next is...
Sige nga, basahin mo.
Peru. Ano yung name niya? Let's go. Tiga. Rain, rain. How are you? Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? Pupo. Sige, sige nga, read. Read mo nga.
Please
Oh, sige kay mami.
What's that? It?
Look kay mami, Kuya Vince.
It?
Mr. Pogi na, bilis.
Nagpupupo.
Colosseum.
Nagpupupo na siya, pero kailangan niya mag-pose. Oh, sina mo mula niya. Pupupo niya.
What happened to you, Kuya Vince?
Pupupo ikaw. Let's go. Go to CR? You want to go to CR?
Hindi siya komportable doon.
It's Colosseum.
Siyam.
The Roman Colosseum.
Temple of Artemis. Nasa 30 pa pala. Nakalakas sa
Wow.
Greece.
Ari.
I see.
Oh, Artemis. Very good ka talaga. This way.
This way po.
This way. That way.
Up. Nandito din yan. Kuya Vince, come here. Kuya.
Come here.
Kuya.
Muna. Let's see the insects first. Lobat na.
Hindi naka-charge nga.
Lobat nga.
Kahit yung ano. Go, Kuya Vince. Walk. Slowly.
Just rubber.
Go na. Walk na.
What is that?
Walk na.
Hold that Yana na. Hold ka na kay Ate
Oh, dati yan ah.
Hindi.
Hindi siya inda. Oh, go. Walk ka na, Kuya.
Sige, itour mo kami.
Tour mo kami.
Nakikita mo. How about this? What's that?
What's that?
What's that? It's a
Grasshopper.
grasshopper.
Stay here in the middle.
Walking stick. Walking stick.
Big grasshopper. Hold Ate Yana.
Hold that, yan na.
What is that? Picturean naman daw kaming tatlo.
What's that, Kuya?
Say hi, say hi.
Hi!
Hi, Beetle.
Hi!
Hi, Beetle.
Bye, Bitaw!
Bye!
Beetle. Say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye! O, ito naman.
Fly! That's the langaw!
Ha?
Langaw!
Ito yung shoe. Sino shoe nyo? Ito yung mga flies.
Shoe langaw! Shoe langaw! Shoe!
Say shoe. Shout shoe. Shoe. Shoe.
O, kami.
Halika na, kuya.
Sa dinosaur, hindi ka natakot.
Sa dinosaur, hindi ka natatakot.
This is Ladybug.
Wow! Very big!
Ladybug.
Wow!
Wow.
Fossilized.
Kaya kami here.
Hindi siya.
What's that?
Scorpion.
Ayun yung
Look this one.
daddy mo.
Uy, Kuya. Hi! Are you okay? Rain Rain?
Big mosquito.
Rain Rain, okay
Big
naman.
mosquito. Big mosquito. Corner blue. That's para
Sige na, para maabutan tayo.
Chacos.
Bye-bye, butterfly!
Bye-bye! Kaya sa loob.
On a small island surrounded by water, a
sige.
What's this?
This is cotton candy.
Taste it, taste. Taste, sitikin nga, baby.
You want?
You bite. You bite.
Bite.
Mamaya na yun. Yummy?
Is it yummy?
Sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Occupied grasshoppers. Of the ones that are working, one of them that stand out is an industrial one named Philip. As the time for the grasshopper to arrive approach, the colony heads down into the anvil, intent to wait for the grasshoppers to eat the offering and leave. Unfortunately, Fate is the last one to put his items on the offering stone, and ends up causing the platform to collide with his piece of machinery. When the grasshopper finally arrive and find nothing, they come out into the island.
What's that? It's a...
What's that?
Oh, I'm so sleepy. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. Come on, everyone. I'm happy.
Wala man, hindi malalapit.
I want to my dreams of being a beautiful butterfly. Welcome to Boys Life Show, and this is a dream come true. You're so sweet, my friend. But where is Blake? Where is Atta? Here they are. Please welcome Atta and Flip. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
I hope you're doing fine. We're happy to see you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Flake, a nerdy vagabond who is desperate to make a difference to my colony's way of life. And, I'm in love with, Princess Abba.
Those chronic beats.
Paparazzi, the paparazzi, smack 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 the paparazzi, paparazzi, smack the paparazzi,
Look right now, they're dancing.
smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi.